Hello, guys. Welcome back to another video. I think this is my first video in about 9 days, and I'm sorry for that. It's just I've been working on a new GMV, which is The Last Fight by Yuri Fiorina. Don't know if that's how you pronounce his name, but I've also been working on some Lego guns. Now the one I'm going to be showing you today is this handgun. Now this is probably the scariest thing I've actually built for its size. And yes, it is pretty big. Originally I didn't have this entire section here, but it kind of became necessary when I realized that the trigger pull is so heavy that the grip actually sort of bends forwards before you actually do anything to the trigger. So put this bit on. This is kind of just like a, if you wanted to say bipod, yeah, I'll give it that. Two ways of holding it. That, like that. It's got a foregrip, so you can at least hold it similar to a Navy SEAL. Two sights. You got that side picture or this side picture. I prefer this one because it kind of looks more like a rifle side picture, but yeah, you can just switch to whatever suits. I'm going to be shooting at this target, which has been holed multiple times by the other gun that I've been working on. Now, I did mention before I move on to anything else that I was working on a Lego repeater. That has ultimately failed. I gave it my best shot, and well, my best shot didn't work. So, jeez, that rain's coming down. But basically, this is a scary piece of work. Now, the other gun that I built, it doesn't shoot Lego at all. It actually shoots. Hold on a second. These. So basically, those holes in that box were from this. So I've been working on some pretty scary shit. Structurally, it's alright. Could be better, could be worse. In fact, it was worse at one point. Firing in 3, 2, 1. So, that's one of the things that I've been working on recently, and that's kind of why I haven't uploaded in 9 or so days. So far as ergonomics, it's rather comfortable because basically the hand grip is thin enough that my thumb can just fit in that gap there, and this hand grip on the front, you can just wrap your hand around and it's all good. So with that being said, I'm going to reload it for the armor piercing bolt. Now It's not really good with the armor piercing because it doesn't have a very long barrel, which means it's not going to be that accurate. What often happens is the bolt will come out sideways, so like hit with the side section rather than the point. Oh well, there it goes. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Penetration, not that great. Alright, let's see what we did. So basically, not too bad, about 1.5 inches. And also that would have moved the nut or whatever you want to call this part a bit further forward. I mean backward. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Yeah, the end of the video. Comment down below when you found my channel, because that would be really appreciated to know kind of when you guys came around. And with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time.